In this video, we are going to be testing another one from a particular website named CashPro. And in this video, we are supposed to be making $2.80 per minute. Meaning, in 1 hour, we are supposed to earn $168. That sounds a lot. So, what do we need to do? Let's just jump into it and see let's see the instruction we have to follow to go through this.
But today we want to make money online watching videos, so I want you to select the watch streams option from there. But don't worry, you don't need a Twitch account to watch these Twitch streams. So even if you don't have a Twitch account, you can still watch these Twitch stream videos here and make money online. Now, as you can see, there are tons of videos that you can watch.
So following that instruction, it actually sounds very cool, very cool and interesting. And I don't waste time when it comes to trying out something. So I decided, okay, I need to know the name of this website which is talking about, and then I'm supposed to then go and register and then form. So I just continue to watch the video from him just to get the name of the website. The website was rewarded.io. Rewarded.io is the name of the website, just as you can see on your screen. And not to waste so many time, I watched the video to the end, and then I decided to try out everything is said. And then this is my outcome, and this is what I'm giving. This is what I'm giving to you. So the first thing I actually noticed in his video, he said we are supposed to make $2.80 per hour. But after logging in and signing into the website, what I found out was it wasn't actually $2. It was 2 points, like 2 coins, just 2 coins, not exactly $2. So what we need to find out, or what I need to find out at the end of the day, was how much I really need to make to get $2.80. Of course, it's not going to be in 1 minute again, because I see I'm only getting coins, and this is what you can see. This is what you can see on my screen after I register to the website. Well, let me quickly log into the website. As you can see, this is like after a few minutes of actually using the website. This is after a few. You can see my coins, you can see how much I've made. And then the good thing about it actually was that you don't need to be on your computer or on your phone. You can just leave the video to just keep playing. So the video just keep playing, and then you can come back later to check it out. So I left this stuff running for good 1 hour, for an hour on my phone, on my laptop. Actually, I left it running and I was doing some other things, and then when I came back, I was able to accumulate 9 pence, actually 9 pence, and then that's 92 coin actually. And then I came and I saw that I didn't have any watch hours. So if you can see here, I have 8 hours of watch time. No, not 8 hours, 8 minutes. I was having 59 minutes before. That's like 1 hour of watch time. And when it actually run down, they told me I don't have hours of watch time again, that I need to do some coins, and after I need to do some quiz, and after with these quizzes I can get I can get more watch hours. So I actually came to under this account, and I see that I've had 92 coins, and I've used 1 hour. And then there was something I could actually claim. Which I actually claimed. It was under bonus. And then I saw this option that, okay, because you've watched 1 hour, we are giving you 10 more minutes. And then they gave me this 10 minutes, and this 10 minutes I can actually go again, just like this, watch streams, and then go and continue watching more streams. So after this 9 minutes, actually, after this 9 minutes or this 8 minutes, actually, I'm going to be ending up with maybe 100 coins, and that means I'm going to be getting, all I can get from this particular one after 100 coins is going to be 10 pence. So it's not even up to $1, 10 pence, 10 cents, or whatever you can call it. That is how much I can earn. So I can't even earn $2.80 from this particular thing as it was stated on Cash Pro. So I tried it and I was trying to look at, okay, how much will I even, how many video do I even need to watch? I just find out that it's going to take me 20 days for me to actually earn $2 if I continue with this strategy, because I have 1 hour per day for 20 days. 1 hour per day, I'm going to probably have 10 cents per day, and then at the end of 20 days I might be able to just come up with $2. So unfortunately, this is another live video on YouTube. Actually, that's why I'm here, to check and to test out everything and check if it's working or if it's not working. This is another live video. If you want me to try out another one, another video, or another YouTuber which you say, okay, this video might be tricky, I just want me to try it out to know if it works or not before you waste your time, just send it to me, and I'm going to be trying it. I'm going to be trying them out. So that's all for this video. I tried this one from Cash Pro, it didn't work, and of course I'm going to be trying another one very soon. My name is Akere, and I'm going to be catching you in the next one. You can do it by subscribing and liking this video. Yes, please do that. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers and we are almost there. So please like this video, share this video, and I'm going to be catching you in the next one as usual. Bye for now.